Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Greenwich local and long distance movers near me. A long distance move might take you outside of your state or within it, depending on your objective, and it is a journey of more than 50 miles. We work hard to guarantee that our long distance moves go smoothly. Not only do we make sure there is no damage, but we also make sure your belongings arrive at their destination on schedule. We are quite capable of long distance relocations. Our equipment and moving vehicles can withstand the strains of traveling far with heavy and fragile belongings. Our local movers in Greenwich are the most efficient in the area. We charge between $30 and $40 per hour, which is a reasonable rate. Our drivers are licensed as well. Most importantly, we always prioritize our clients and their needs regardless of the situation. Our movers are well trained and have the necessary equipment to transport your belongings around your neighborhood. We can get your belongings to their destination in one piece no matter how congested the streets are. Do you have a set schedule for your work? You do not need to be concerned. We can assist you with making your move as quickly as feasible. Our prior clients have given us fantastic reviews, and you can check with them for proof of our service's superiority. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Greenwich moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.